Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly get up and running with OpenXBL 2.0 on XenForo 2.0. On the right hand side we have the zip file that we downloaded, and on the left hand side is the directory structure for my website. So we're going to want to navigate into the zip file, drag over the OpenXBL folder. Once that's complete, we can go to our XenForo admin panel. Under add-ons, you'll now see OpenXBL available to be installed. So click install. It's relatively quick, but while this is going, you can navigate to OpenXBL, the website, go to your apps, and also copy down your public key. This will become useful later on to activate OpenXBL inside of XenForo. So first thing you want to do to activate OpenXBL is to go to Connected Accounts under the Setup tab, navigate to Xbox Live, and put in that application key that we copied earlier. There's a few things you can do to customize it inside of the options. Display friends list, display Xbox Live in the profiles, and so forth, as well as permissions, which you should not forget to do. Let's go to user group permissions, administrator. Quick set to yes. Alright, now if you go to your website, how XenForo 2.0 works, if you're already logged in, you need to go to Connected Accounts and then associate with Xbox Live this way. Anyone with an existing account must do this before logging into the website using this method. So as you can see, I already logged in previously. Skip that process, associate, and there you go. My account's connected. You can now go to your friends list. There's the Xbox Live tab, and you can go from there. If you need any more help, just drop a line or a Discord channel, or send an email to help@xbl.io. Thank you.